They clean and care, they laugh and play, teaching kids the cleanest way. Chunnu said, "Hey Munnu dear, let's clean the house, bring cheer. Grab a broom and mop the floor." Mom said, "Wow, you clean some more." Villager cleaning time is super cool. Best boyfriends teach every rule. Grammar street they always say, keep it clean every day. Munnu said, "Let's clean our street, make it shine and smell so sweet. Trash and bins, not on the ground. Clean surroundings all around. Always right, don't be lazy. Chunnu Munnu, keep it crazy clean, not messy. Everywhere they go they shine, super cleaners right on time. Friends like them are kind and smart. They teach good habits from the heart. House or school or park so green, they keep it fresh and squeaky clean. Meanie, come along and sing